Making your first YouTube video. Hey, my name is Chris from Stark Expand, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make your first YouTube video. Now for this one we will be using WeVideo to edit our videos. So I have already uploaded a couple of videos over here. Where are they? Here. From my visit in Thailand, and the uploading is super simple. All you have to do is go to My Media, import, drag and drop your files over here, and it will upload your files directly to the cloud, ready for editing immediately. So that is something that is super nice with this software. So when you have your vids, all you have to do is plan ahead a bit about how you want your story to look like. For example, we have some nice sunrise we will put in over here. We will have perhaps filming some grass which will be nice. Insert and push. And then maybe we will have a video where we are going down the mountainous slopes in Thailand, which was awesome, to be honest. And then maybe we put in some me training Thai boxing, Muay Thai. All right, so videos are out in our timeline, and you have two views in this software which you can use. You have your storyboard, or you have this one, which is the full editing style. And for all your videos you will be using this style, because the storyboard setting is nah, don't do it. All right, so we have our videos over here, and what we want to do is just check if we like what we see and if they are in order. So you can drag over here on this timeline, and you will see on the right side over here how it looks and if you like it. Now, what you want to do is you want to look at your audio. So let's expand our clip timeline over here on this button. It says change track height to the big box. And where you have audio on your clips, you will see the audio files over here, or the audio waves to be exact. Let's just play. All right, so we have some background noise on that clip, and some background noise on that one as well, which we don't want. Now this one is nice. Bam. So we can just go to this clip and double click on this one and mute this clip, save changes, or we can adjust levels over here for the whole timeline. But since I wanted to have some audio coming from the training, I will just go clip by clip. Go mute for this one as well. Punch space to stop and resume your video viewing. All right, so we have our clips. What we can do is we can drag the bar over here and expand and zoom in on our clips. So over here we have some dead space over here where nothing happens. So I will just edit that out just before I start to kick the bag. There, and to remove this one, just hit backspace. You go to an empty field and just drag and mark both clips, right click and close gap, and it will close the gaps for you. Let's go back and look how it looks. Bam! One more. All right, that's good enough. I don't want more in this YouTube video. Obviously, if you're making YouTube videos, you want them to be in sufficient length. So a 30-second clip will not do. But for this tutorial, it will suffice. So we remove that one. Also, what you can do is when you're at the end or beginning of a clip, you can drag the edges and drag out the clip again. So if you split a clip, it won't disappear forever. So you still have the original file that you are working with. Let's just close that one. Yes. All right. So next, what we want to do is look at the transitions between the clips and if they are fine. And to make a good video, you don't want to go overboard with transitions and effects because it does look unprofessional. This one is good. Oh, the lighting was not so great over there, so we go back here and edit out a small part of the clip that we didn't like. Somewhere around here, I think, will be good. Remove that one. Close the gaps. And if you close gaps like that and you have made editing afterwards in this timeline, it will be a new gap because you just moved everything to the left. So you have to close the gaps again. So it looks a bit better. Yeah. That's nice. So over here, where we have two very different scenes, we might want to add a transition. Now, how do we do it? We go into transitions, and here you have a lot of different ones to choose, but I will choose only one of three to make it as professional as possible. So you have dip to black, dip to white, and cross fade, and perhaps even cross blur. So just by punching, you will see what it does. I don't like that one so much for this one. This is nice. Dip to white or dip to black. Now, our clips are quite dark, so I think I will put in dip to black. And all you have to do is drag it here. And there you have it. Let's watch it again. Nice. Do you see the transition? So easy. All right, so I want to end this very short YouTube video with a fade out. How do you do it? So we need to put a fade to black at the end also, which we can do over here. And there you have it. Now, for our YouTube video, we need some music. So you can go to audio, and if you have your own audio, you can upload it and import it as you did with the videos, my media import, and you upload your own songs, videos, everything you want. But for this one, we'll go with the free stock versions that's included. Oof, that was a bit loud, sorry about that. We'll go with this one. So you just drag it down over here and put it in the audio lane. As you can see, editing videos doesn't have to be a chore. It's super easy and fun and creative process. So let's go. Let's see how it became. Oh, and when you view this, you can also do the full scene to see how it looks. All right, that's fine. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it was so beautiful in Thailand. And look at transition. And there you have it. All you need to do is shorten the audio clip. And you do that by selecting the clip, split, delete. So you don't have to worry if you weren't exact with your splitting, because just by dragging the end over here, it snaps perfectly to where your video is ending as well. And perhaps we want to put a fade out on our soundtrack also. We just have to select this one and go to the start and hit open audio options and punch fade. Then you will get these small little pointers. It will fade for 1 second in, 1 second out. The 1 second in, I don't want to fade so much, so we will just move this one. And depending on where you position this one up and down, it's the volume. So perhaps you want it to fade over the whole clip. Then you will see how the line goes through the whole thing. But we just want to make a quick fade in and a nice little fade out at the end. Just going to replay this one. I want to drag it out a bit so the fade out continues after the clip is over. That will be more better. Yeah. So there you have it. First YouTube video done. All you need to do now is export your project by punching finish. My Muay Thai journey set. And here you can see you just select the thumbnail which you want for this one, but this will change if you upload it to YouTube. You can have your own thumbnails, of course, and I recommend that. I like that one. Video, and here you choose if you want Ultra HD 4K or just full 180p Full HD. And where the destination is, if it's to your WeVideo catalog, or you can upload it directly to Google Drive, or if you have connected your YouTube, you can do it as well. So I usually do WeVideo, and it will just tell you when it's done. You hit export, and that's it. It's queuing. All right, and that is it. Your first YouTube video is on the way. Easy, right? You can close this window. You don't have to keep it open, and you will be notified by email when your video is done. I hope you enjoy.